Who did it better? We are in Plano again, 1.2 miles down the road.
Right down the road.
And then look at this beauty. It's actually a very similar floor plan of the one we just walked.
Yep.
This is gonna be the battle of the cruise. Who did it better?
Who did it better, huh?
Team Mexico or Team Brazil? Let's see.
We know who's gonna win.
I know who's gonna win.
Vamos México, si se puede.
No, nunca será. Nunca será. 02 nunca será. How? Okay. Well, let's go. Come on.
Well, as you can see, it's very similar to the other house, but we're just seeing it, so we gotta figure out what we're gonna do with it. But I think that maybe probably opening this.
Yeah, I agree. Get rid of that. You kind of had, remember Londonderry that George did?
Yeah.
It's kind of got that feel too.
A little bit.
Especially the entrance. Oh, the driveway, it's beautiful.
Even need to...
I like the driveway better on this one. It's got an oval front driveway. We'll go out to the front here in a
I
minute.
don't know if you need to knock it all off or just create like
Just create a space.
This is the kitchen. So this would be the formal dining, and then this is the kitchen here. Spacious kitchen.
Very spacious.
I don't think we need to do the same thing as we were gonna
The other
do
one?
with the other one.
Open
or
this
we
whole thing up?
Because see, we could open this whole thing up and then move the kitchen towards this side. You know.
I don't even think we need it on this one. I feel like this one is more spacious.
But the whole idea of that was to be able to open this up so that you're not so clustered here with your fireplace.
Yeah. The idea would be we could open this up just a little bit or just a section of it.
Yeah. The fireplace is very different. This whole thing is coming down.
You gotta respect the house. Don't forget.
This one,
You don't want to respect it?
huh?
You don't want to respect this one? Huh?
Yeah,
I just got in trouble the other day for not respecting
you did
it.
not stop saying that. Stop that. You did not get in trouble. You're getting in trouble now.
Open that window up for us, babe, so we can get some natural sunlight.
Okay, natural sunlight.
So the question is, the deal we just walked through recently, we're gonna keep the
Oh yeah.
new tone
This one doesn't
intercom. It does work. So we decided to keep that other one. We're gonna modernize the panels. So what are we gonna do on this one?
Probably rip it out.
She's not respecting it, guys.
She's not respecting the house. You're not respecting the house.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
Well, all right. So this is your kitchen, breakfast nook. If we do that, we can also create like a little peninsula here so people can have breakfast here on the thing, since there's going to be plenty of space.
And then just open that up. Instead of being completely gone, because especially there's some mechanical vents there.
Open it up until here.
Exactly. Yeah.
Then you have your range, your vent hood, your double oven, and then a little bit more cabinet space over here.
Talk to me.